In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install DCTL files inside of Davinci Resolve. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, have a WinRAR file open with your .dctl files. Then from here, you'll need to open up Davinci Resolve like you usually would. From here, you'll need to go down to this little color wheel down here in the menu. And once from here, you'll need to go over to the LUTS over here. Now once from here, it'll probably be empty, but you'll just need to refresh it like so to see all of your installed LUTs. From here, you'll need to go over to the LUTs folder over here, right click on it, and from here you'll need to click Open File Location. Once from here, it should belong something like this. Now from here, you'll simply need to open the WinRAR file with the .dctl files and just paste them over to this LUT folder over here. Once from here, you'll simply need to close this down, and we'll need to close down Davinci Resolve. Once from here, we'll need to restart Davinci Resolve and open it up again. And once we have opened up Davinci Resolve again and go down to the color wheel section and LUT section, you'll need to scroll down until you'll find your specific new installed LUTs that you can then paste over to your timeline. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!